Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's XRP video update. And boy oh boy, what a pump, what a show, what a move. Is this XRP? Did it just come alive? And we've already broken out of this resistance probably right over here, and that's the reason why you made the pump to the upside. So there was a resistance forcing repo for quite a long time here, and you've already moved to the upside. Now the question really is this the end of the pump, or can we move higher? Now my take is, of course, you've met a little bit of resistance right now, and I'm going to show you this resistance right over there. It's going to be important for us to break that resistance and hold the retest. Okay, so you have one touch here, second touch right there, third one right here, and as far as I see things, you actually went up here and you've already made a touch right there, so you really haven't crossed it and back tested it. That's the problem. What you want to see is like Matic here. So I'm going to show you Matic, and what I mean by back testing something is if I zoom in into Matic resistance, you can see Matic also had support. It was resistance here, but if I actually zoom in right now and I show you how you hold the resistance, you can see you broke it out, you broke the line, and you can see the next candle is actually green. Do you see that? So this is what I mean for XRP as well. You want to see something very similar to what Matic did, and that is actually come up here and cross this yellow line, which is going to be 0.384, cross it, go to 0.4 something, hold it, and backtest, and take an entry potentially here. And that's why I'm going to say we're going to move to the upside. But how high is it going to go after the retest? We're going to answer that one as well. So take the EMAs, come to the retest, then you're looking for a 4-3 level right over there without any doubt. You've already made the cross between the 10 and the 20. It could even make sense to come down to retest the 10 and the 20 before actually coming up and breaking this level. But looking at Bitcoin, I do expect XRP to still go to the upside, because Bitcoin is looking to come up to $25,700. And as for this update, if you guys are interested in the signals, I do have 6 more days to close the entries, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.